Hello dear doctor, I am Shukantu Kumar Saha. On behalf of the Doctors Academy team, I would like to welcome all of you to the Doctors Academy. You would be glad to know that the Doctors Academy courses for Mrcp UK Part 1, Mrcp UK Part 2 and for the clinical part courses is going on very successfully. And the Doctors Academy courses is going on in two stages. One is for national candidates and another is for the international students. This course is designed very uniquely so that you can choose your right duration of your exam preparation. Either you can choose for the 8 months course, you can choose 6 months, you can choose 4 months, even 3 months also. First of all, you will do live session. That means your mentor will be in front of you and you can take your classes through Zoom application and you can ask any of your queries during this session. And after that, while your session will end, these classes and other lectures of all of your classes will be archived in our e-learning platform. And in this e-learning platform, you can get all the resource material into your course. That means you will get a complete lecture notes which is very uniquely designed from our mentors team via the Doctors Academy. And these lecture materials is much enough for your preparation for your success. And after following these lecture notes, you need to follow the question bank. And you would be glad to know that the Doctors Academy honorable candidate doesn't need purchase any other materials except we are providing into your course which is totally free. You may heard about that question sources like ePassMedicine, ePassTest, eOnExamination, medical masterclass and all the reference books you will get into your course. The Doctors Academy Mentors team is the world's best mentor team for your Mrcp UK preparation. You will get very unique session from all of our honorable mentors team and the mentors are very much experienced on their related field. You will get each and every system classes from every specialist mentor into your preparation. So that's why the Doctors Academy courses is not like that a mentor, only one mentor is taking all the classes. These classes is taken all the experienced mentor from their international ground. So after completion of all of your lectures, all the resources, you will gone through a very advanced revision phase. And this advanced revision is the complete mock exam series of your examination which includes 36 plus real examination. First of all, you will go through the system-wise examinations and after then you will go through the block examination and finally you will go through the 3 final examination like your real exam into your advanced revision phase. That means in summary, the Doctors Academy courses is a complete package for your examination. You don't need to think about other resources, other books, other notes. You just need to focus on the instruction from our unique mentors team and the resources we are providing from the Doctors